Whether you forgot to add some details to your email or accidentally sent one to a wrong recipient, which I hope doesn't happen, or you need to change some of the words that you have used, a simple undo send can save you from an impending email disaster. The good news is, Gmail has you covered. Yes! At least for a few seconds. So let's go ahead and find out how you can make the most out of this undo send feature in your Gmail account. Alright, so first of all, what I need you to do is to go to your email, go to your Gmail account. Once you are logged in, you need to click on this gear icon or the settings icon and click on see all settings. Alright, from the general tab, this is where we'll find the undo send feature or the undo send option. And you will see here the send cancellation period. Now, if you click on the drop down, you will see that there are 4 options. Right now, the shortest is 5 seconds, and the most that you can extend the cancellation period is for 30 seconds only. It's not very long, but definitely a few seconds can make a lot of difference if you're dealing with, very important emails that you really need to make sure that you have everything covered and the words that you're using are on point. So you just go ahead, choose 30 seconds. I highly recommend you choose the longest. And once you're done with that, don't close it right away. You have to make sure to scroll down to the bottom of the page, because even if you have made changes to that cancellation period, you haven't saved it yet. So make sure that you scroll down and click Save Changes. Alright, so now that you have saved the changes and extended the cancellation period or the undo send period to 30 seconds, on your next email, you will now have up to 30 seconds to undo or cancel the sending of your message. This is a very small tweak to your Gmail or to your email account, but it can save you from disaster, especially if you're using this email address or this email account for communication with your clients. I hope you find this helpful, and if you do, I'd appreciate if you can share this to your friends or colleague, or if you haven't subscribed to this channel, and if you would like to see more content about Google Workspace tutorials, I would appreciate if you can hit that subscribe and that bell button. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Florante, and go ahead and live the dream life without leaving the home.